reason for the failure of most traders, which is rarely discussed, could be attributed to various factors. If you want to uncover this mystery, stay with me until the end of the video. Greetings, dear friends. I hope you're doing well. In two very short videos, I explain the 7 fundamental principles of becoming a professional trader and opening positions based on these principles. Now, in this very short video, I want to explain to you why most traders tend to fail. If we want to generally answer this question, it is because they certainly did not correctly execute one of the 7 stages of becoming a professional trader and aim to become a trader quickly without completing one of those 7 stages. However, within those 7 fundamental stages of becoming a professional trader, there were several crucial points that I want to delve into more deeply to explain what happens when a trader cannot achieve success. The first thing you should doubt is your analytical style. Is the analytical style you're using actually effective? Does it comply with the new rules? Has it been tested? Has anyone achieved results using this method? Is it rule-based or indicator-based, or does it truly adhere to the rules? So, the first thing you should doubt is your own analytical method. But further on, I want to mention a few points to you that, rest assured, nobody has told you what the reason for traders' failure is. So first was the analytical method, but more importantly than that, it's the teaching style through which you learn. If your teaching method is the same old method that everyone is teaching, in most universities, most schools, and most financial educators, be sure you won't succeed. You have to use a method that challenges you and enables you to overcome all challenges in the chart. A method that pushes you to overcome challenges, and you leave all challenges behind in the demo world. Journaling, alongside this challenge-based approach, is essential. It's a method that challenges you, and you overcome all challenges in the demo trading, which is something you reach by yourself. You're doing self-learning, and the reason most traders fail in the real trading is that they're faced with challenges they haven't encountered before. They haven't had any experience in dealing with these challenges. So I say journaling alongside this challenge-based method, a method that challenges you, and you overcome all challenges in the demo trading. Journaling shows your history and performance, tells you your strengths and weaknesses, and you have a trading plan. This is where it shows itself, and you must have a trading plan for your work, for your trading. You must have a history that most traders, and most of those who are new or want to become traders in 2 or 3 months, have not done. Therefore, the teaching method in which you must leave the challenges behind before entering the real world, and the challenges have been solved for you, and you have seen the results must be adopted. Friends, the current teaching method is in the form of student teaching, meaning exactly you shouldn't learn knowledge. You should seek knowledge yourself, just like a real student, with a style that challenges you and you solve the challenges. The most important thing is that you have to use the challenge-based teaching method that keeps your mind flexible, and the teaching method that presents the material in a completely simple and digestible manner. It can be very important for you to always be in challenge in the chart. And one of the main reasons for the failure of most traders is 2 very important points. One is the teaching method, And now, aside from the analytical method, let's put aside everyone may succeed in any analytical method. But the method of learning and teaching is very important. And the other is the journaling, which is done systematically, something most traders shy away from. These 2 points should always be remembered. Learn simpler, learn challenge-based, keep your mind flexible, and practice, practice, practice.